Meet Olivia. Olivia may not look like your typical jewelry maker, but she's got a helping hand from Durston. Introducing the Olivia 130 Rolling Mill. The reason Olivia works so well with Durston's all-new Olivia 130 Rolling Mill is the patent-pending 50-to-1 gearbox. This revolutionary design makes rolling effortless. Olivia's unique 50-to-1 gearbox makes rolling easier than ever, for anyone. Old, young, short, or tall, everyone will benefit from this extraordinary new machine. And another first from Durston, this rolling mill can be used while the operator is sitting down. Great for those who find rolling difficult, or for anyone who can't operate a rolling mill standing up. The all-new Olivia 130 Rolling Mill. All the quality and durability you'd expect from Durston, but with an easy glide 50-to-1 gearbox that makes exceptionally light work.